Hi friends, this video shows how to pay BESCOM electricity bill using Amazon. Let me open this Amazon app. Tap on this menu icon over here. Tap on Amazon Pay icon. Tap on Bills and Recharges. Go down, then tap on this Add or Manage Biller. So first we need to add electricity biller. Tap on this. Tap on Add a new biller. Tap on Electricity. Then in this form we have to fill biller. We can enter BESCOM here in this biller field. Then here we have to enter customer ID or account ID. Then tap on save. So this way we can add BESCOM electricity biller. Next I will show you how we can make the payment. For making payment, again go to this menu, tap on this menu icon. Tap on Amazon Pay. Tap on Bills and Recharges. Then go down, tap on this electricity under this pay bills section. Here you can see upcoming payment. If you want to make the payment, you can tap here. Let me tap on pay now. Here you can see the payment options. You can make the payment using Amazon Pay balance or credit card or UPI. Set your payment option, then tap on pay and complete the payment. This way we can pay BESCOM electricity bill using Amazon. Please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.